What is the best time to do the Chandrabhaga Glaciers trek? Now, this is an important question to ask because this trek has a very small window when you can actually do it. I've seen trekkers trying to consider this trek in other seasons. They've asked me, can I do it in Jan, December, etc. So I thought people need some guidance on when to go on this trek. Now, this trek is in the heart of Lahaul, which means that it is usually accessible when the Atal tunnel is open. It is also next to the Baralachala pass, so it is usually accessible when Baralachala is accessible. So these have a very specific window in the year when you can access them, purely led by the amount of snow and rainfall the country has seen that year. So the best time to do the Chandrabhaga Glaciers trek is between mid-July to early October. This is likely when the trail will be open, when Baralachala will be accessible by road as well, and then you'll be able to access the trail because the trail starts right from Baralachala. So what happens before mid-July? There is usually a lot of snow. Actually, our exploration team tried to do it in June and they found a lot of residual snow from the previous summer, and it was very challenging to navigate those sections because it became very risky. Residual snow which becomes hard, almost like verglas, very difficult to navigate. So I wouldn't recommend going there anytime before mid-July. After the snow has melted and gone away, you have a little bit of monsoon coming in, then is when you start the trek. Throughout monsoon, it's a very beautiful trek to do. You will get very beautiful weather. Of course, it's going to rain. At that altitude, rain usually comes down as hail and you need to be prepared for that. But the weather is usually your friend during this time to do this particular trek. Later in the year, by around early mid-October, depending on the year, and when the first snow comes in, the trail gets blocked off. So one indicator for you to know whether this trail is open or not is to see whether Baralachala is open or not. Usually on Twitter, the Lahaul police, they are continuously reporting this. So you will be able to see it online and go on the trail. But if you see Indiahikes that we are operating over there, if you see our dates available, then it means that is among the best time to go there because that's when we also want our trekkers to see the trail. So you can use that largely as an indicator and a guideline on when to do this particular trek. Avoid any other time. Winter is impossible to go over here, even summer is impossible to go, so monsoon is the best window. We have another video on how difficult this trek is, and that is an important video to watch because it's one of the most misleading treks in terms of difficulty. So do watch that and prepare yourself well if you're going for this trek. That's all from me about when to do the Chandrabhaga Glaciers trek and the best time to do it. If you have any other questions, just drop in a comment below and we'll get back to you. That's all from me today. I'm Swati from Indiahikes and you're watching Trek with Swati.